In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Google Meet in Gmail. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the left sidebar. If Google Meet is currently enabled in your Gmail interface, you should see the Meet section or icon there. You can click it briefly to confirm that it's active and visible in your Gmail layout. Now, to hide Google Meet from Gmail, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon to open the settings panel. In the quick settings panel, locate the section related to chat and meet. Under that section, click Customize under the Apps in Gmail area. A settings window will appear where you can choose which apps are available inside Gmail. Give it a moment to load if needed. Once the options appear, you'll see the list of available apps that can be shown in your Gmail interface. Look for the option labeled Google Meet. To hide it, simply uncheck the box next to Google Meet. This removes the Meet feature from your Gmail sidebar. After unchecking the box, click Done to confirm the change, then click the blue Save button to apply the updated settings. Gmail will prompt you to reload the page so the changes can take effect. Click Reload to refresh your browser. Once the page finishes reloading, look again at the left sidebar of your Gmail inbox. The Google Meet section or icon should no longer appear, which means the feature has been successfully hidden from your Gmail interface. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.